welcome to NMaktima Fly Fishing YouTube channel. We're out in the water. And welcome back to everybody else that's been subscribed and liking the videos and watching since day one. Anyway, it's windy today. So the thought initially before I got here was to throw some streamers, but temperatures are good. I think it's pretty much around 60 degrees, and forgive the audio. So there might be some bugs moving around, which will get the fish active. If not, later this afternoon, switch up to streamers. And I don't have a whole lot of time, so I'm just going to be cherry picking the good water and going from there. So might not be a whole lot of talking because you probably won't be able to hear it if you're not even able to hear what I'm saying right now. So all right, y'all, come along, just do this. So right now I got a May I See You size 14 on the dropper and a red butt size 14 on the point. Both have 3 millimeter beads, so pretty heavy. Water's a little off color, so just running some bigger flies. Trying to stay in the down near the bottom to start with, since we are fishing more in the morning time frame here. That was a stick. And in this case, you know, I may run a suspension or indicator on here just to be able to cover some of that water further out. Let's run a quill body. Actually, we'll run a comp hare's ear if I have one handy. Nope, let's actually run a thread Frenchie on the point. Okay, both are 16, so downsize both of them. Should be a little tougher to manage in the wind because they don't have the weight to hold themselves down. But as long as we get these nice little lulls between gusts, hopefully we'll be okay. Put an indicator on here real quick. Just give it a shot. All right. Excuse me, Povey. Excuse me. And we got Povey with us today too. Hold on to it. Look at the color on this guy. That is cool. Got a little eagle attack on him. Man, that's crazy color. Down in some deep water. Ate the quill body nymph. There we go, another one. It's the indicator rig, definitely a little better situation for the wind. Feisty brown. Yeah. May I see you on the dropper? Cool. Fish. There we are. Rainbow. This little holdover stalker. All right, the morning session was okay, but you know, wind always makes it tough. Turned a couple with the indicator suspension type rig. Quill body Betis and a May I See You brown color. Both were size 16s. I did get one more on another May I See You in the olive color in a 14. But you know, that wind just really tough to maintain contact and maintain a drift. Euro nymphing, the suspension rig definitely probably is the more better way to go. I got about half an hour. Switched out the rig to my streamer setup. 10-foot 6 weight. I was fishing the Shadow X 10.5-foot 3 weight. I got the Stillwater 10-foot 6 weight with a floating line. The water's low. Don't need a sink tip. I'm gonna run a couple bead headed streamers and we'll roll through it. See what we can do. Half hour. Let's make it happen. Yeah, the water's definitely down. So I got a olive color ribbon shirt on my point, and on the dropper I think I'll run a chongo. Yeah, I run that guy on the dropper. $2X floating line. Try and get the flies a little soggy before I start. Normally I fish from that far side. That just means I gotta go upstream, cross. Which, me only having half an hour, that's precious time. Yeah. Woo! Yes. Yes, fish. That's bigger than the last one. Holy cow. Oh my god. Yeah. All right, we're done